Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Virgos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Virgos, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Virgos. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. If you want more clarity, Virgos, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy. So let's start with these cards here. We have Ace of Wands in reverse, King of Wands in reverse, and Page of Cups. So in your situation, guys, Virgos, it may be in your career situation or this relationship. You are someone who is very determined and you have a strong will. You work hard and you are trying and making a lot of efforts in your career, guys. Maybe you are quite successful, but in order to maintain that success or that greater potential in your work, you need to put in a lot of efforts, and that is worrying you, guys. Maybe you need to be on your toes always, and you are someone who is very responsible and you are devoted and dedicated to your dreams and goals you have for yourself, your life, guys. And you are someone who has a, belief, a clear path for yourself, and you follow that no matter what. You have rules and you follow that, and you do what you believe in. And maybe the people with you, they may see you as someone who is very strict, severe, because you never give up your belief or you never give up that right way of doing things. So you have a way of doing, or a way of managing your situation. So it may be something in your career situation, guys. So people around you, they may see you as someone who is rigid and severe, and they cannot tolerate your attitude. You are someone who wants to do everything right every time. So they cannot tolerate all this, guys. And maybe for some of you, it may be the energy in your relationship too. So this person you love, they cannot tolerate your attitude. Maybe you want to do everything in a right way. Maybe you are quite serious about this relationship, but this person may be playful. They are here for fun, so they may not have that serious attitude towards this connection, guys. That may be the reason for some troubles. And I also see that there is a person, it may be your common friend or someone from your family. They are coming with an important news or a message, guys, Virgos. So that is what I see with these cards, Virgos. Let's see what is the card for your relationship first. It's King of Pentacles. So just like the previous cards, this card also speaks for your nature, that character, guys. You are someone who does everything in a perfect order, and you are someone who stands by your ideals and beliefs, and that may be quite difficult for this person to handle. So they feel that they want to just have fun, not have that serious attitude in this relationship. But you are someone who is very someone who sticks to the rules you have for yourself. But I see that you are a very loving, caring person. You are having everything you need in life today, guys. You are in a good position in life, and you are people see you as a great catch, because you are someone who is well settled and you are quite charming to others, guys. So people may think of you in that way, Virgos. So let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys. we have 10 of swords. So some difficulties are there in your career situation, guys. Maybe some delays, some suspensions, or certain people you would have trusted them but they have failed you, guys. So that may be the reason for troubles, Virgos. And that is the reading for you all today, guys. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card. I will keep this card aside. So we'll see what it is. We have the Wood Maiden, Trust. That is the card, guys. So with this card, it just means that in your situation, whatever is happening to you today, whatever is unfolding, you need to trust that. Trust in the moment. Maybe certain things may look unreal. Maybe people are gifting you, or the experience you have, it may look like something magical and you cannot trust yourself for the things that are coming towards you, guys. And you need to be really careful with whom you share your gifts today. Maybe you are in a wonderful situation, but you need to share it with people only whom you trust, guys, you on whom you have that total trust. Because maybe some people, they may just they may not believe you, but some of them, they may just try to rob you of your opportunities. So this is the time to believe in what is happening to your you in your situation. Maybe some unbelievable changes are happening in this relationship, in this love. So whatever gifts or whatever blessings that you are getting today, you need to hold on to it, cherish that moment and be happy for how things are going today, guys. And even smallest things can bring great happiness in your situation, guys. So if you are content, if you have that contentment in your heart, even the smallest of blessing is going to fill you with happiness and emotional satisfaction. So that is the energy. And whatever good things that you did, maybe your good nature or your hard work, whatever it is going to bring you great rewards. That is also the energy with this card, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys. So let's see what is the second card for those who chose this card. Let's see what is the card. It is Cherish Innocence. So with this card, guys, it just means that you should not make if you are in the verge of making some important decisions today, this may not be the right time. Maybe this is the time for you to be cheerful, have that innocence in your heart, and face your situation with less fear and more wonder. Act like a child, guys. And we should not take anything too seriously. When you are happy and when you are cheerful, just like a child, you are going to let yourself enjoy the simplest things that you are facing today. And you are going to feel light, less responsible, and less burdened today. And maybe you are going to simply feel so much better if you are able to go out, enjoy a little with this person you love, allow yourself to laugh and see your situation, just enjoy, have fun with friends or family or with this person you love, and your situation is going to change magically, guys. So you are going to feel happy, and you are going to cherish that inner child each and every one of us have. So when we go for this childlike pleasures, it is simply going to help us heal and rejuvenate, feel rejuvenated, feel fresh, so we can take on our situation more strongly, guys. So for those who chose this card, that is the energy with this card, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.